Thinking about changing your major or adding a minor? Before you make a decision, let's explore your options with a powerful tool called the What If Report. A What If Report shows you how close you are to graduating with a different major or minor. It's the perfect way to test out a new academic path before changing anything. To get started, just log into your My Boise State account. Once you're in your My Boise State account, navigate to the Student Center. From the Student Center, click on Advising and Academic Progress. You'll find a few different tools here, but what we're looking for is the What If Report. You can view any previously saved What If reports, but to generate a new one, click Create New Report. First, select whether you want to pursue an undergraduate or graduate degree. Next, select the catalog year. The catalog year dictates the specific degree requirements you must meet. While you can change it to see different requirements, remember that officially changing your catalog year requires a catalog update form to be submitted to and approved by the registrar's office. The academic program will automatically populate in the next field. Then select the area of study or major you want to pursue and the concentration if applicable. Another helpful feature is the What If Courses section. This allows you to add courses you're interested in taking to see how they would apply to your new plan. Just click on Browse Course Catalog to find a course. Courses added here will appear on your report with a question mark icon next to them. Enter the term you would like to take it, and you can even add a proposed grade. Once you're done filling out the information, click Submit Request. Your new What If report will be generated. You'll be able to see which requirements are completed, which are still incomplete, and how your planned courses fit into your new degree plan. To view the report as a PDF, click on View Report as PDF at the top right of the page. The PDF will list your entire course history, including any courses that are not being used to satisfy a degree requirement. For more information, please visit www.boisestate.edu/registrar/. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to our office. And as always, go Broncos!